Oh, Charlie's not happy with me today. Morning, everyone! Real quick video. Real quick video. Yeah, real quick video today. It's MOT day for the old girl. Well, not the old girl. She's actually very young by Betty's standards. I don't think we've got anything to worry about. All the electrics are fine. Oh, they're redoing this road. Oh, well, this is going to be fun. Wait! Off-roading! Watch out for the raised iron works. How is it they dig up the road and the road underneath the road is actually smoother than the road? What's that about? It's a bit slippy. Other than, well, I think the battery might need replacing after all, because I keep getting that battery light come up when I start the bike. But other than that, electrically I think she's fine. The only thing I ever worry about is the brakes on this thing. But then I had this worry last year and the brakes passed fine, so I don't know. Not much point in worrying until we get there. I'm going to Motor Motorcycles again. Those guys are always really good. They always squeeze me in last minute, and Pete and Roger are always a good laugh. I am running a bit late though, so I've got to get going. Move the fuck over, man. Reckless driving. I'm loving that the sun is out lately because it means I've been able to go out on the bike every day for like the past 5 days. Because yesterday was the boot sale. I'm getting out on the bike a lot, it's great. Check the oil level as well. I did that fairly recently and I've kind of not been taking a huge amount of attention to it. That's another thing we'll try and remember by the time we get back that I will inevitably fucking forget. They say you should check your oil level before you go out every single time, but I do not do that. I am a bad owner. Okay, we haven't got the saddlebags on today, we're super slimline for filtering. Let's go. I am bike and I go where I fucking well please. Like so. Chunky dick! Shut up! God, you wouldn't think that I didn't have caffeine in my daily routine. Okay. Nearly there, hopefully it won't be late. It's probably quicker to go through the horrid industrial estate. So we'll do that. Race for bumpiness! Fucking criminy Christmas, this is doing my back in. Shaking up my fucking breakfast. I'm pretty sure the back brake is working fine. I managed to get it to skid the other day. That's a genius place to park. I can squeeze. Morning.
Morning.
Oh, people appearing from everywhere.
Well, I'll come back a bit later then. Yeah.
So morning. Here for an MOT.
Yeah.
Oh, sorry, that's in gear.
But I'll see you later on.
Yeah, I'll make you later.
There you go. She's shut up now. I've come close. So how are we all doing?
All right. Not bad.
Shit on the floor. Alright, so I don't want to go through dog shit. Dogs just choose the worst places to have a shit sometimes, don't they? As you may have guessed, she passed flying colours. And just before I was about to get on the bike, the doctors called me. That was lucky. I would have been able to get that. And you always answer when the doctor calls, because getting an appointment is impossible these days. Speaking of doctors, it looks like my next scan is actually going to be a CT scan. I think a CT scan is the one that's... No, an MRI is the one that's in the big claustrophobic tunnel, which sounds like a awful nightmare to have. And a CT, I think, is the same sort of thing, except rather than being a long tunnel, it's just sort of like a donut. It's like a donut of MRI. It's just a slice of it, and it goes over you, I think. I don't really know. Yeah, they want to inject like a contrast dye, and then I sit in the CT and they scan me, and it checks all like pressure in your urinary tracts and your kidneys and shit like that, so don't know. I mean, I have unusual kidneys anyway. I was diagnosed with a condition at birth called horseshoe kidney, which means your kidneys are conjoined at the tail, or at the tail end at the bottom. And when I went for the ultrasound, the guy didn't mention anything like that. So I mentioned it to the doctor who was looking at the results. He's like, oh, do you have conjoined kidneys? Because it doesn't say that on the ultrasound. I used to go for a yearly ultrasound all the time I was a kid to check my kidneys were growing okay. The doctor said it looks like my right kidney is slightly swollen. But I forgot to mention to him that when I was younger, the doctor said to me that one of my kidneys had stopped growing. So I think I have one kidney that's a bit bigger than the other one. So it might not be swollen, it's just their measurements might be different because of that. So I need to mention that to him. He might be able to look up in my medical record. I don't really know, fucking bumpy road. But yeah, that's what I'm going to be doing soon. I haven't got the fucking Christ almighty on a bike. I haven't got the letter come through yet because he only sent off the referral yesterday. But yeah, a whole new scan, a whole new world. There's not really anything else to update you on. This has been a nice quick short video because all I was going out for was the MOT. I mean, the only other problem is that I've been doing so much recording lately. Like I did a video of, fucking get out of my mouth, you little bastard. I didn't have a normal ride. But anyway, yeah, I mean, I went out on Friday for work, did a video. Went out on Sunday for a boot sale, did a video. Out today on Monday for an MOT, doing a video. And when you do that many videos in close succession, I don't really have much to update you on. Except for the fact my bollocks are itchy. No, cut. Well, if you're in the Hastings, Bexhill, Eastbourne, East Sussex area and you need an MOT or work on your bike, go on down to Moton Motorcycles. No, seriously, they're actually really good guys. Like, MOT is cheap, their work is quick, they don't fuck around, they're really nice gentlemen. Yes, they're really nice gentlemen. This road's getting really paved soon. Fuck. They got signs up about it. Hello. Well, like I said, short one. Signing off here. Thanks for watching. Take it easy. Stay safe. Stay vertical. Move out the fucking way, Iceland. Watch out for the raised ironworks, Mike. Generally just slippy ass dusty fucking road. Fuck. What the fuck is all this in the air? Maybe keep your gob closed? No! I'm talking! Well, I'll see you all in the next one when I'll update you about what colour socks I'm wearing and how to pick your nose around corners. Bye guys. Oh, wrap up! Bye!
Entering the garage from this angle, will the wonders never cease? Right on cue.